What's up everybody? We're back with another video and it's been quite a while since my last YouTube appearance, and the reason is still the same. It's so hard to get your hands on new diecast stuff this year. But anyways, today we will talk about Hot Wheels mystery models, set number 1 of 2024. As always, and I guess as many collectors do, I'm trying to find the 3 licensed models. So as you can see here on this little poster, every Hot Wheels mystery model set contains 10 models, and the first 3 are licensed models. So yeah, it took me really long. The set has been out for a while, so pretty quickly I found the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. Then it took me 2 or 3 weeks to get the BMW Z4 Motorsport, and then once again I think 2.5 months till I got this one. Although I think it's not the most beautiful model ever. So we'll take a look at these 3 models. But before we get started, if you are not familiar with these Hot Wheels mystery models, they come in these plastic bags, and the idea is that you don't know what's inside, and when you are opening the bag, it's kind of a surprise which model you get. But if you take a look at this number right here, the 2 numbers behind the backslash, if you take a close look, it's saying 04. So as you can see right here, this is number 4. This is the Hot Wheels F1 Racer. So I told you that I wanted to show you the 3 licensed models, but the thing is, I kind of was wondering, if you take a look at the packaging, this one has got a very prominent spot here on the packaging, and I was wondering why is that, and still I don't have any idea, because I thought maybe it's a new casting or something. But this is the Hot Wheels F1 Racer, and it's kind of an old model. I think it's from 2009, this casting. Yeah, anyways, I don't have any idea why this model is in the front, but yeah, I wanted to have it, and there it is. But now let's get started with the 3 licensed models, and let's take a look at number 3, which is the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, famous gullwing Mercedes. By the way, these models do always come with a sticker with the name of the model on it, and the poster that you can see right here. So let's put this to the side and let's take a look at our Mercedes. As you can see, it comes in a racing livery, and yeah, it's a little bit like golf. Doesn't actually say golf, but yeah, the colors pretty much the same. Yeah, I think it's nothing to be really excited about. As you can see, we don't get any deco on the front. On the back we get the Mercedes star and some racing deco on the hood and on the sides. But yeah, in my opinion, nothing too spectacular. So let's put this guy into the parking lot, and let's go on with number 2, which is this guy here, sorry for that, BMW Z4 Motorsport. This is what the sticker looks like, if you're interested in that. And yeah, in my opinion, This is definitely the best one of these three licensed models. And yeah, I told you, this was not really easy to find, but kind of easy compared to the Lancer Evolution. And I'm not really sure if the #1 car, the Lancer, is really that rare that you can't find it, or if so many collectors here in my area are really after the Lancer. I'm not really sure. As you know, I'm living in southern Germany, and yeah, most of the times people are after the German brands, BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, and so on and so forth. But yeah, I don't know. Anyways, this thing here looks kind of cool with these really nice M colors. I think the wheels do fit very well with these red rings or lips saying #2 on the side, and on the hood coming with a chrome base, which is pretty nice. But same thing, we don't get any details on the back and on the front. I mean, this thing with full deco would look really cool. But anyways, it's a pretty nice mystery model in my opinion. So that was the BMW. And yeah, so now here is the Lancer Evolution. This is what the sticker looks like. And yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I mentioned it. It was really hard to find this one, and I was kind of excited, but I mean, I already saw on the poster what it would look like, and yeah, I mean, I'm really interested in your opinion. I don't think it's really good looking. That's just my opinion. It's coming in a flat white livery with the aerodisc wheels, but the deco on this thing, I don't know if this is kind of a famous rally deco or something. I haven't seen it before, to be honest, and I don't think it looks really good. Yeah, once again, don't get any tail lights, don't get any headlights, just a black base. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, let's put the rotator to the side and bring our three models, oops, to the front for a final look at them. I'm really interested in your opinion. Which one do you like best? And what I'm more interested in is if you had to deal with the same problems that I had to deal with for finding them. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I already mentioned it. This one here is definitely my favorite of these three licensed models. If you did like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.